Yep. See, they got a trench way over there.
They want to move that car so they won't rock again. I'm trying to see what machine.
Bright went to the door. I hope they don't block us in.
I doubt that. That's just the way I figured the copper tubing might be for the water piping line. That's why I was thinking the copper tubing. That's what you do when you put the faucets together.
Tearing everything up. Oh, did you see your stuff? Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah,
Well,
they
you
should.
sit there beside our driveway, Tommy. Rob just said, I'm gonna go out there and move the car for you, so I can't get out. They're digging a big hole right beside it.
See, that's just Dwayne knows how to maneuver. Like Bob Scoopin knows how to maneuver because he
I hope so. I know one thing.
rode
They,
KTM Honda sponsored motocross biking as a teenager, and he won it by a wing and a prayer.
you got it too, yeah.
I don't know, I should like to know that.
So carry on. I'm sure a lot of people are.
Well, I think it's neat to watch all this and get it documentary. Howard Chapel even says, keep me posted on it. Eventually we'll have a 5 or 6-story apartment building. They're getting it all prepared for that. By putting all the piping and all that in there. As Pam Bailey coined me on my history time capsule buff, I said, yep, you got me pegged, Pam Bailey.
Call from Cape Charles, VA. Call from Cape Charles, VA.
We're going to park where we can. They better not give us a citation when they're tearing the joint up.
I'll go back in the yard and park. They shouldn't say nothing.
Besides, I mean, they can hit rocks and dead. That makes me grumpy. Makes me a grumpy old woman.
Oh.
I know, I don't want to be a grumpy old woman because you don't like to be around grumpy old women. So I'm going to be happy, happy, happy. Hip, hip, hooray.
Hip hip hooray.
They're going separate, ain't you?
Yeah, they are.
Yeah, we're going in separate vehicles.
Okay, Tommy, we're going to head over to Sue's. And we'll see it, Tommy, the last time, wait a minute, let me tell you something real quick. The last time I ordered you a large turkey sub, they were doing the turkey bacon with ranch or something. With ranch dressing. But you have to tell them you just want the turkey one. Because they already put the bacon and ranch, or the bacon on it. And they say, well, you can just have it. I don't want it. They don't want bacon on it. So they had to pull them all apart, or they had to start a new one, I think. But anyway, that's the first time I ever had it. That was about 2 times ago, wasn't crazy. Just tell them just the turkey. Okay, we'll lock this door at the bottom of them, and we'll see y'all out there.
I guess when you get older, you get cranky. Oh shoot, who's doing that? Oh, Banshee.
Just give it a go soon.
Oh, okay, I'm documenting this whole thing. I was thinking Tommy's going to scare me. I was going to be ready, but you did it instead. You did. What do you call that?
What happened?
I was thinking you were going to scare me like you normally do with the skeleton or whatever, and then or scare me another way. Banshee took on my feet, and I said, "Who did?" Oh, it's Banshee. Took on my feet and said, "We're getting ready to go." I said, "Okay, we're getting ready to documentary." I was expecting Tommy to scare me, but you scared me. You change tactics. That's what it is, tactics. A military term. You change tactics on me. Like the real true story of Heartbreak Ridge with Clint Eastwood, and he turned those guys into men, and they were able to save lives in war. It's a true story. It's Heartbreak Ridge. Gunny. It's pretty neat stuff.